Hey guys, today I'm talking to you about the Packout 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum. Let's go ahead and open it up, get right to it. I'm wanting one of these for a while. Obviously, I want everything, but package, see what's all in here. Alright, here she is. M18 battery powered, brushless wet dry vac. So the top part here, you get a crevice tool, a floor tool, and let's go and take this out of here. It's a little adapter to fit various different hoses on here, different styles, different brands. And this is the handle's bagged up here, so okay, that don't go in there like that. This handle, let's get this packaging off of here. Tear it right off. Okay. Shut this back up for a second. Alright, on the inside, it's got the one latch on the front. Nope, wrong. One latch on front, one latch on back. Top comes off. You got your HEPA filter on there. And then you just have your 2.5 gallon compartment here. And like I said, it's Packout compatible. It's got the little cleats on it, the feet. And you also have a spot where you could put a bag, a vacuum bag in here to collect a little bit of dust. And on this part, if you're doing wet, it's got the little float in there to turn it off so it won't go up into the engine. So you wouldn't want to use this really with wet. You'd put like a different filter on there. So set that back down in there. Hook the two latches. And you got your hose. This just comes right around here. Snaps right on. Pull it off. You can use it like that, and then you can, there's a little spot on it that says lock and unlock. You can unlock it. You can see there's a lock and unlock button here. That's for to suck stuff up. And then you can put it on the blower, which is over on this side. Then it's got a lock and an unlock spot on there. You can put that in there, lock it into place, and then you can make it into a blower if you want to blow stuff around. Let's go ahead and put it back on the intake. There you go. And it just goes right up around here. Let me see where that goes. Just like that, you're stored all up, ready to go. Let's go ahead and open the top up again. I can show you where the battery goes. So I got a 5.0 battery here. Goes right in this top compartment right here. Goes right in here. Ouch. I wonder where I want to put that thing. Put the battery in there. Put the top. Take this bad boy off here. And you got a handle, you can carry it. The table's kind of dirty. So alright, pretty sweet. So you got load or mode 1 and mode 2, which is, you know, low and high. And That's your Packout 2.5 gallon wet dry vac. They do have other models. They do have a M12 model and another M18 model that they're just not Packout compatible. But this handle goes either way on here, and you can set this on. You can have Packout can fit on top, or you can put it on bottom. You can put it on one of the rolling cases or whatever you'd like. You'll probably be seeing this a little bit more some upcoming videos. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, like I always do. The price on this thing right now at Home Depot for their, I think it's their Black Friday. It should be going all the way through Christmas. They have this on sale right now for $179. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day. Thank you.